Welcome to Cultivated, the podcast where sustainable landscapes meet smart solutions. I'm your host, Eric Behunin. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches the heart and soul of our communities, the care of our cemeteries. We'll be exploring how the city of Taylorsville has turned to automation to maintain these spaces, ensuring they remain beautiful and respectful resting places for our loved ones. If you've ever been responsible for maintaining a cemetery, you know how demanding the work can be. Endless tasks like mowing vast lawns, trimming around headstones, and keeping everything pristine for visitors. And with budgets always tight, labor costs climbing, and a shortage of workers, many cities face an uphill battle to keep their cemeteries in top condition. Taylorsville was one such city. Their cemetery team was dedicated and hardworking, but they simply couldn't keep up with all the work. Enter SmartYard with a simple and innovative proposal. Introduce robotic automation to take over some of the more labor-intensive tasks, starting with autonomous mowing. The goals were clear: lessen the physical burden on city workers, improve mowing consistency and coverage, and maintain the dignity and beauty of the cemetery. So we deployed robotic mowers in designated areas of the cemetery. These robots were designed to navigate complex landscapes, delicately trimming around headstones without causing any harm. Both the city team and our SmartYard crew closely monitored this pilot program, with one burning question in mind: can automation be respectful, reliable, and truly effective? The payoff was better than we expected. First up, consistency improved dramatically. The robots mowed daily, keeping the grass at a perfect height, something that was simply impossible for manual crews to achieve on a daily basis. Financially, the city should save a bundle on labor costs, which will free up their skilled workers to focus on pressing tasks like tree care, irrigation, and other cemetery needs. On top of that, the light robots reduce turf compaction, which is crucial for cemetery preservation. And let's not forget public reaction. Families and visitors were impressed. The grounds looked immaculate, and city officials received glowing feedback almost immediately. Most importantly, the respect for the site was never compromised. The robots worked quietly and efficiently, moving around the sacred grounds without causing any disruptions. This pilot taught us some valuable lessons. First, automation doesn't replace the need for human care, it enhances it. A dedicated team is still crucial for maintaining the high standards of sacred grounds. Second, proper planning is key. Setting up robots in a cemetery demands thoughtful mapping, understanding the terrain, monument placements, and visitor patterns. Lastly, automation brings opportunities. By freeing up time, cities like Taylorsville can focus on improvements, beautification projects, and long-term care. The Taylorsville pilot is just the beginning. Cities across the country are now looking into how automation can help their cemeteries. Mowing is just the start. Imagine smart sensors for irrigation monitoring, drones for aerial inspections, and sustainable landscaping that will conserve water while maintaining beauty. At SmartYard, we're excited to be a part of this journey. Innovation in cemetery care is not about replacing human touch. It's about empowering communities to keep sacred places sacred. If your city or cemetery district is curious about how automation can help, we'd love to share more of our experience and discuss how we can assist in taking the next step. Thanks for listening to Cultivated. I'm Eric Behunin. Until next time, stay smart, stay sustainable, and keep it cultivated. Check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode.